What's up, YouTube? In this video I am going to show you how to copy and save YouTube videos to your computer. Real simple step. We're on my channel here, Bubba Bass. What we're going to do, we're going to click on a video. Real simple here. Once the video pops up, go ahead and pause it. And then you're going to go up to the URL right here. And right here on the URL where it says the link to the video, you're actually going to, right there, right before YouTube, you're going to type SS. Now what's going to happen? Download. So say I want to download an MP4 at 720. You're going to click on Save File. Click OK.
Give it up. Start grabbing for decay. What we feel is gone. I believe produces space, and the space is in there. Like a snake up your tree, up your habit, and then understand that all you're supposed to be.
That's how you save and download YouTube videos to your computer.